Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Any nation service eating a kono and then every day numeri by sports stadium. Na some no endorse per year. And now I'm able mind view how I expected the team to operate. But it looks like Coach Ogum had other ideas. And a different way of calling his starting 11. Coach Ogum is on the bench. And news about Bonteno, you catch him saying no correct. But Adibu has all my news in the time. People will know those who are speaking the truth and those who are lying. And Coach Ogum is on the bench. Or bench. Our Kotoko team na Urban FA Cup run 64 and na Urban Surabaya Sports Stadium. Kotoko bench. Coach Ogum na Jao Isa David Oklu Wilson Asare Emmanuel Osei Owusu Omunyina Oko Nations Benya Okansi Mengo Johnson Smith. Inti Kotoko team no on the team list the head coach. Coach Prosper Ogum. Now young call Kotoko 20-man squad. And I'm the lineup now. Frederick Kasare Muis Poate are the 2 goalkeepers. Obenya Rocky Dramana. Let's start from defense. So Frederick Kasare on it Muis Poate are the 2 players around. Sharif Mohammed Ewa Obi. Now we should team now Ubenya Ubitse Yusuf Nuruddin Henry Ansu is also around in defense. Nana Benjini Amwa or Prince Adasan. And also Ekatim no Justice Blay. Also Ketim, and these are the defenders. Sir Oba midfield now. Ubenya Richmond Lamte Sharif Mohammed, Enoch Morrison, na Wenya Eric Zeze, Michael Chejamna, Andrew Sintimenu, John Tedeku. And was mentioning them, I forgot John Tedeku. Said the Tedeku so can Rocky Jamna, so Eka squad no. Na Okwe Dimwa, Baba Yahaya Ewo, Peter Amidu Isaac Opon Ewo, na Wenya Michael Chejamna, Andrew Sintimenu. And now I'm catching up with say Kalu Atara is not part of the team, and the same thing as Steve Mukwala also Eka team on team. No George Infege, no Kalu Atara in the Asante Kotoko squad and omo apparedi. So this is the 20-man squad. My boss will be able to amount there. Muis Poate, Frederick Kasari are the 2 goalkeepers. Prince Adasan, John Tedeku, Nana Benjini Amwa, Sharif Mohammed, Justice Blemu Echiroho, Andrew Yusuf Nuruddin. Now when another player in the shape of Henry Ansu and Sharif Mohammed Maboni Uba midfielder Rocky Dramana, Richmond Lamte, Enoch Morrison, now when Baba Yahaya, now what's saying Branche Fernando Sintimenu, Michael Chejamna, now when Eric Zeze, so team attack no Ubenya George Infege, now when Isaac Opon, now when Branche your friend Peter Amidu. Now the last name I keep on forgetting, Rocky Dramana. Asante Kotoko 20-man squad officially or now which means that Orchestra Japan on a branch of friend Isahaku together with the other player, forgetting Samuel Asamoah, they are all out of the game. Nicholas Osebumsu is out of the game. Yahaya Dawuni and Timmy Amiki the squad, unfortunately. Yahaya Dawuni and Katim no. My council fake any Kalu Atara so any team Modada, and that is what is coming in. Now the lineup of Asante Kotoko. We are the positions of the players. Muis Poate, the goalkeeper. Again, Dalad Ibrahim and Katim no. But Muis Poate is the goalkeeper, captain for the day. Richmond Lamte. What it means that Lamte ball 90 minutes against a team my friend the Gon Cities, but coach decides over some Lamte as our game nipio. So Lamte is operating. Sharif Mohammed midfielder, Justice Play, Steve Mukwala, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Opon, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Baba Yahaya, and Peter Aminu Akwa. Okaya, my catcher said, I was thinking the coach got the Educa team never ball. But my capture said, don't forget, don't be surprised. Isaac Opon, Baba Yahaya, and Peter Amidu. Ebe make the Kotoko next game. Which I was thinking, a coach be you so more. for the Chelsea game based on Intel and Zakai. But I'm paying a news they say you say Kwesi Adam no pabe died and I remember that. So it's better to use your team to participate in a game whilst you prepare for a tougher game rather than waiting for another side. And that's why the coach has decided say changes of person this year Chelsea no person try the neck. Changes of person this year Chelsea no person try the neck. And if everything works for him, not Chelsea they no matter what. And ya do about Asante Kotoko so no be weaker player be able. So the starting 11 is a very interesting one, where you're having Moise Potter as the goalkeeper. Where keep put three back now. Tidier, or keep put three back now. Injustice play, Henry Ansu and Yusuf Nuruddin. Now Peter Aminu Akwa and Enoch Morrison about wing backs. Tidier Peter Aminu Akwa and Enoch Morrison about wing backs. Peter Aminu Akwa as the right wing back. Enoch Morrison as the left wing back. Nak Wamau, middle of Sharif Mohammed, Richmond Lamptey and Baba Yahaya as the creative players. Sharif Mohammed, Richmond Lamptey and Baba Yahaya as the creative players. No amount a front two of Steve Mukwala and Isaac Oponema. Kotoko system no 3-5-2. Goalkeeper Moise Poate Justice Blay, Peter Aminu Akwa wing back. Justice Blay right center back. Na Wamau Henry Ansu and Yusuf Nuruddin with Enoch Morrison as the left wing back. Sharif Mohammed defensive midfielder, Henry Ansu, Sharif Mohammed defensive midfielder, Richmond Lamptey and Baba Yahaya as the creative players, Isaac Opon and Mukwala as the two top for Asante Kotoko. Yanko bench, Sharif Mohammed defender, Eric Zeze, Michael Chejamna, Nana Pini Amwa, Andrew Sintimenu, Prince Adasan, Frederick Kasari, John Teleku, Rocky Jamna, John Teleku, Frederick Kasari, Prince Adasan, Andrew Sintimenu, Nana Pini Amwa, Michael Chejamna, Eric Zeze, and Sharif Mohammed. We Asante Kotoko team. Coach Ogum, 3 back no, and one of the Ura game, and Ibraba. 3 back no the Ura game, and then Renya sent it to a Baba. Kotoko nations, coach need leave no stone on 10. Will leave no stone on 10 because of the dynamics of the game. Into one seven fa fufro krebi and body data for neighbor. Send you the results at the end of the day. To your Kotoko fan, you need to be at the Baba Sports Stadium. A serious business. And I coach Ogum and the Babi and Tuma against a Nations FC. They all honor silver team with the Abraham. You be sure, bye bye.